everybody! Today I'm going to announce FUJI School online holiday party. Yay! We're gonna have a lot of fun together. We're gonna have Japanese lessons, we have quiz, we have ugly sweater contest. Of course, we're gonna have a lot of prize. Date is December 20th, Sunday at 7:30 p.m. It's gonna be via Zoom. So the registration link is below. It's gonna be $10. So what we're gonna do exactly at the party? We are going to have 6 Japanese lessons that you can pick one. So first, we're gonna have Japanglish lesson. You're gonna learn cool katakana words, and we have singing lessons. You're gonna sing Feliz Navidad in Japanese, and we're gonna have anime song Japanese lesson with me. You're gonna learn a song from Evangelion, Cruel Angel theme, and we're gonna have beginner particle lesson, which is very informative, very important, and we have intermediate conversation lesson. You're gonna talk about holidays. And lastly, we're gonna have kanji calligraphy lesson, which gonna be a lot of fun. So you're going to pick one out of these lessons, but don't worry, you're going to get all the recordings after the party as well as all the materials. So after the lessons, everybody going to join quiz. So this quiz is not only about Japanese language, you'll also learn a lot about Japanese cultures, about us, FUJI School. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Of course, you're going to get the prize up to $100 FUJI School's gift card. So be ready. After the quiz, we are going to do ugly sweater contest. Please send your ugly sweater photo by December 14th. And this link gonna be separate from the holiday party. It's free to join this contest itself. After you sign up, we are going to email you the voting link. Please vote until December 17th. On the day of holiday party, we are going to announce the winners. Of course, winners are going to get prize, which was $50. So please join our contest as well as holiday party. So we're gonna have a lot of fun together. All the FUJI School teachers gonna be there. Please join us. We are looking forward to see you all on December 20th, Sunday. またね! Bye bye!